Welcome back to my channel. So we are going to make this fine fabric with this top, on this top. So as you can see, so this is what we are going to use. And what I will do now, for to start, I will start with the weight first. So what I folded here is 11 inches, and after that I'll go ahead now to start with the length. So my length that I'm going to use here is 20 inches, is what we are going to use here. So this is the length, 20 inches. So after that now, I'll go ahead to measure the neckline. So my neckline is 5 inches. So that's my neckline that I've marked out. And to bring down the neckline, I'm going to mark 3 inches also. So it's a round neck, a canoe neck. So I'm going to mark it like this. So I've done that now. So the next step now is from my shoulder to my chest line is what I'm going to measure. So it's 8 inches that I'm measuring from my chest, shoulder place to my chest line, 8 inches. Then I will use my ruler to rule it out. So this is how I'm going to do it now. So after that now, I will also go ahead to measure from my shoulder to my armhole. So that is my shoulder here now. So my shoulder divided by 2, because my shoulder is 16 inches, that will give us 8 inch on the tape. So that is my 8 inches on the tape. After that, I will also roll it out. So this is it now. So now we are going to measure our bust on the line that I measure, that is from the shoulder to the chest line. That is where I will place my tape to get our bust measurement. And my bust measurement is 36. So when you divide your 36 by 4, what will give you on your tape is 9 inches. So I will place my 9 inches here. And also, what I will do now is a free top. So I will make it 40 inches. That is 10 inches. So that's my 10 inches, that is 40. And I add 1 inch for the sewing allowance. So to get my armhole line, so I will mark from my chest line that I have 8 inches and place my tape like this and mark 2 inches on it. So that is the 2 inches. Then I will curve the armhole. So I've curved it now. So now, after that, I will go ahead now to measure my waist. My waistline will be at the bottom line here. So that's my waist. So what I will do, since it's a free top that we are making, we will not make it exactly the waist measurement. My waist measurement here that we'll measure now is 36, but my actual measurement is 28. Can you see the difference? So that it can fit in, because we don't have zip on it. So I will add 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. So that is it now. So we are done with our measurement. So I will curve it now. So now I will mark it, the line together. After that, I will also mark 1 inch to curve it down. I don't want it to be straight. So can you see what I've done there? So I will use my roller to roll it to curve to the 1 inch that we mark. So now again, we'll come back to the shoulder to slope our shoulder. I'm going to mark ½ inch to slope the shoulder. So that's my ½ inch that I've marked. Then I will slope it using my ruler to roll it down. So also for the back neckline, I'm going to mark it 1.5 to bring down the depth of the neckline. That is 1.5, and also mark it to the point that we mark 5 inches. So we are done with our measurements. So can you see what I've done there now? So please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end. So this is it. So I'm cutting it now. So just look at what I've done here, and you can also make it for yourself. So this is it now. So I'm still cutting. So after cutting, we will now cut the sleeve and also take it to the machine and go and stitch. That is the body part that we cut out. So we're done with that. So I've got the back neckline, that the depth. So what I will do now, I will pull out the back neck and to cut the front neckline. So this is the back neckline that we have already removed there. So now is to cut the neckline for the front on the 3 inches that we marked. Is what I will cut now. So it's done. So we've cut it out. So the next step now is to cut the sleeve now. So now is to cut the sleeve now. So I've folded my fabric now to get our length. So I'm placing my tape like this to get the length. So my length that I'm having here is 10.5 inches. So that's my 10.5 inches that I've marked out. So then I will roll it out. So that is it. So on this line is where we'll start with our measurement now. So I'm going to curve it like this. So this is my curving, and to get my armhole slope, I'm placing my tape on this line again and mark 2 inches. So that's my 2 inches. So that is where our curve will be. And what I folded on the sleeve is 8.5. So that is what we are going to use to just have a bit of pinch of gathers on it at the down, so that we'll have a little puff. So that is what I'm going to do now. So I will just go ahead now to cut it out. So this I'm going to cut it now. So after that now, I will take it to the machine and go and stitch. So this is what we are going to go and gather a little and pipe it out. So I've cut out the 2 sleeves, as you can see. So this is it now. So please subscribe and comment. So the next step now is to take it to the machine and go and stitch. So I've gone to run my stitch on the sleeve. So what I will do now is to pull out the sleeve, that is to draw it out. So this is what I'm doing now. So I will drag it now so that it will puff out. Let me look for the place that I will pick the thread. So this is it. So now I can draw it now. It's just a little bulb that we'll need here. So that is it. I want to run the stitch on my sleeve now. So what I will do now is to drag the thread so that it will puff out. So this I'm going to do it now. So just gently draw the thread. So that's what I'm doing here now, so as you can see. So this is how you also do your own when making your own. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. So this is it now. I'm dragging it now, so you can see how it is now. So that is it now. So this is the 2 sleeve. This is the one of the sleeve, and this is the second of the sleeve. So I will just go and pipe it now. So that is it. So let me place it well for you to see. This is the one that I will use and pipe the sleeve. It's 1 inch that I've cut out to use and pipe the sleeve. So I'll go ahead to go and pipe it now on the sleeve. This is the piping, as you can see. You can see I've piped it now. So this is it. So what I will do now is to fix it on my top. So let's remove it from the floor and measure the body of our top now. So that is it now. So I will measure the bust. So this is my bust around my armhole chest line side. That is where the bust is. So that is it. Go ahead now to measure the bust. My bust is 40. So this is my 40. So I will just measure 1 inch here, 1 inch on the other side. Coming to the waist, 36 inches. So this is my 36 inches, 2 inch here, 2 inches here also. So just to connect it now, connect it from the bust to the waist. coming to the other side from the bust to the waist, and to go and run a stitch on it, like the front and the back together. This is what we have. The top is ready now. As you can see the sleeve now. This is how it is now. So this is the two sleeve. So this is how you should make your own when making your own. Please subscribe to my channel. Watch my video down to the end. See you guys in my next video.